back to the channel. Today's a short video. As the title says, I figured I'd show you guys the differences between the oil pump gears and the oil pump for the different models between Mustang and F-150. 2011 to 2018 Mustang has the same gear, same size gear, so those gears are interchangeable from any of those years, from Gen 1, Gen 2, or Gen 3 Coyote. The oil pump itself changes in 2018 because we have the composite pans. So 2018 F-150 and Mustang has a different pump. The 2011 to 2014 F-150 has a slightly smaller gear. The 15 to 17 F-150 has the same gear as the Mustang. And then for 2018 and up, they decided to go back to the smaller gear for the F-150. We found out last second that about the 2018 having going back to the smaller gear, because I already had a set of gears and they were the Mustang gears. So when we put them in, it didn't fit right. So I decided, instead of getting a set of truck gears, I just get a Mustang pump, since it was slightly stronger. My assumption is it's slightly stronger, and it is slightly bigger. So I'm like, why wouldn't I at this point? So the video just does a quick overview so you can see the differences. We show the chaos gears as well, and hope you find it informative. Hope you like it. As always, hit the like, subscribe, and a notification. If there's something you don't like about it, particularly like that makes you feel the need to put a dislike on my video, please leave a comment. Let me know why you dislike it. Only way I can make changes to the grow is with proper information. So there you go. And of course, we had to do the internet test. We dropped the gears. Alright, so we're over here looking at the oil pump gears, and we have stock Mustang, a 2018 pump in stock Mustang 2018 gears. We have our famous broken 2018 F-150 gears and pump, and we have a new 2018 F-150 pump, and we have our billet gears. So what we've come to notice was that the billet gears are only for the Mustang pump and not for the F-150 pump. They do not fit in. So we decided to get the bigger pump, and we'll just put our billet gears into the bigger pump. I'm going to show the measurements of what we got going on here.
So the difference between the actual truck pump, it measures up at 506, okay? So it's about a ½ an inch. And over here, the actual Mustang gears are thicker, extra about 55 thousandths thicker than the actual 2018 F-150 pump. The TSS gears measure the same. Okay, so that's the difference between having truck pump and the actual Mustang pump. The Mustang pump gears are thicker than the actual truck pump gears.
All right. Can we see any of the difference between the actual pumps? The depth?
The housing is just going to be 55 thousandths thicker. So it's going to come up with the same measurement as 550. And then over here, in the same spot, just take a quick measurement. She should be shy by 55 thousandths. Give or take.
Okay. That, my friends, It's the difference between the oil pumps. The gears and the pumps are different between the 18, and that shows exactly what the differences are. And we continue on with our engine build. Stock oil pump gear drop test. Go for it.
It survived.
Oh man, no break.
Well, let's see. Let's go.
Number 2.
Maybe my grounding
I think the internet lied.
Yeah, I don't know about this. Maybe this is the TSS gear.
Oh shit.
Ah.
I don't know, man. It's
Oh
holding.
no, it's got a crack.
It's got a crack.
It's got a crack.
Where is it? Oh, okay. All right.
See if we can finish it off. It's surviving.
That cracked like when we raced the Roush and when we first hit the rev limiter. We didn't get the break until later.
Wow.
I think she's had enough.
That's it, Shell?
We already seen the crack. The crack was enough.
That's enough? Alright.
Crack's enough.
I was just having fun.
Alright, so let's bring it up high. Bring it up high. There we go. Oh, there we go. And you would break on the first one now, huh? Wow.
That's his mate.
And that's how you break all pump gears.
And there she goes.
She gave up.
She did.
Two paces. More than when we left when we were going down the track. A lot more than 2 pieces.
Yeah. We had about at least 8. What's the material? Yes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 10 pieces.